When in doubt, leave the ABA out. 1 Corinthians 14:10-12 advises that there are doubtless many different languages in the world, and none is without meaning. But I do not know the meaning of the language. I will be a foreigner to the speaker, and the speaker a foreigner to me. So with yourselves, since you are eager for manifestations of the Spirit, strive to excel in building up the church. ABA therapy does not necessarily build up the skills of these autistic children with meaningful communication or comprehensible language. Often, ABA therapy attempts to change a behavior that in many cases actually benefits the autistic person, simply because it is odd or bothersome to others. Autistic people and parents are beginning to speak out against the ABA approach. When it appears to become a matter of compliance for convenience, or just to make everyone else feel comfortable. Irene Zurcher, a parent of a 15-year-old girl with autism, said, insisting that children sit quietly so that they can attend and be table ready when flapping or twirling a piece of string actually helps them listen and concentrate does not make any logical sense. What about the comfort and comprehension of these autistic children? Because ABA relies heavily on reinforcers as motivators, often the reinforcer of a behavior has absolutely nothing to do with the behavior itself. This proves that ABA therapies may not be effective in a generalized or meaningful manner. Often the skills learned in ABA are not transferable to the outside world, says Tracy DeWitt. Also, in parent interviews, one parent attested that after 5 years of ABA therapy for her nonverbal child, she is positive that her daughter cannot comprehend why they do what they do to her. She said the person delivering the therapy wasn't even a highly trained specialist. It was like having a surgeon telling the ambulance driver how to perform a procedure. Often, she likened the ABA therapy to nonsensical torture. The main question Stout, other researchers, parents, and autistic people are coming to is, would we do the same thing for a neurotypical child? Many times the answer is no, and therefore ABA therapy should be looked at as a very remote, very distant option.